Moving on to subtraction of integers is a little bit more difficult than simply adding. One thing we need to remember is that if we are subtracting a negative number or if we are adding a positive number, so the signs of the other symbols are the same on each side, that means we're going to have an increase, or our integer is going to increase. And alternatively, if our symbols are opposite, meaning that we're adding a negative number, or we are subtracting a positive number, that means our integer is going to decrease or move to the left on the number line. So let's take a look at how this works. If we have a -9, and to that we are going to subtract a +4. So our symbols are opposite, meaning that our integer is going to move left on the number line. So -9 subtract a +4 is going to give us a -13 because we are moving left on the number line. Okay, let's take a look at an example where our symbols are the same. We're going to take a look at the integer -3. And to that, we are going to subtract a -6. Okay, so as you can see, our symbols are the same, meaning our integer is going to move to the right on the number line. Okay, effectively what we end up doing in this case is we end up adding the opposite. Okay, so our integer is going to move to the right on the number line, meaning that we start at a -3. So if we want to take a look at this at a number line, so here's our number line, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to start at a -3. And to that, we are going to move to the right 6 spaces on that number line. So we'll start here and move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on our number line, we end up at a +3. So a -3 subtract a -6 ends up being a +3.